Okay, in question 2, x is uniform in between a and b, so we can get fx. The PDF of x should be 1 over b. This is very easy to get, and we already know this. Minus infinity to x, the integral of fx. Then we can know when x is bigger than b, fx x should be 1. Should be 0. This is also very easy to get, so we can get this part. It should be something like this. So we can get fx is equal to 0. So we can draw it. It should be like this. Here is B. Here is A. From A to B. Then, if we want to get the PDF of y, as a formula, we can and if it has 2 roots, if y has 2 roots, so if y should be where so y has 2 roots. Y is x, and the other is minus x. So this is what we can get. So this is then the PDF of y, and it's equal to, if y only has 1 root, well, I said it only has 1 root because we know that y equal to x to power 2. It's something like this, and if a and b between this part, so there is only 1 root. If a and b is this part, there will be 2 roots. So if it has only 1 root, it should be this, what we can get now. So we can draw it. We need to divide it into 2 situations. So the first one is something like this. Second one is something like I think it's the same. Okay, let's go to the part B. And now we already know is whether B is 3 and draw F1. So now it's from -1 to 3. So we need to consider the 2 situations. One is 1 root and the other is 2 roots. So if there is only 1 root, if it has only 1 root, so we know this is A, this is B. If the two root is between -1 to 1, so if x is between -1 to 1, so we can find minus x is also between 1 and 1, so there will be two roots. So we can get, in this situation, y is minus bigger than 0. So when y belongs to 1 minus 0 to 0 to 1, so there will be two roots. So Fy, the density, the PDF should be and it should be this. So in other situation, one between 1 to 9, bigger is 3, so it should be between 1 to 9. Here only one root, so Fy, the PDF we should be. So in this situation, we can get PDF should be y is between and y. So if y is not in this others, if y is others, so it will be 0. Not in this section. So it will be 0 the probability, and then we can get Fy and y is 0 when y is, and according to the formula, Fy should be according to this. Then we can get probability function should be when y is between 0 and 1. So here's we can from 0, it began from 0 to y, and it should be so this is what we can get if it's begins from 1 to y, plus it should be also it should be plus the this part, and finally we can get it. It should be like this, and if y is bigger than 9, so the probability should be 1. So here we can get it. So this is what we can get.